In this video, I'll show you how to create a radial spin blur transition in Adobe Premiere Pro using Radial Blur. This transition creates a spinning blur between your clips, making the scene change feel fast, dynamic, and energetic. It works great for sports edits, action videos, dramatic reveals, and high energy content. Let's get started. First, place your two clips on the timeline and make sure they touch at the cut point where you want the transition. Now, go to the effects panel, search for Radial Blur. Once you find it, drag and drop it between your clips. Now select the transition and open effect controls. Here are the most important settings. Rotation center controls the center point of the spin effect. Blur amount controls how strong the radial blur looks. Direction controls the spin direction and motion flow. Exposure controls the brightness during the transition. Dissolve time controls how fast one clip transitions into the next. Use a shorter duration for a quick intense spin. Use a longer duration for a smoother swirling transition. For best results, this effect works best with fast moving footage. And that's it. That's how you create a radial spin blur transition in Adobe Premiere Pro. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.